In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove credit card from TikTok account. So this is really worth watching and worth doing if you don't use you aren't planning to use TikTok to purchase things like virtual gifts or whatever they're called in app. So removing your credit card information can help avoid making any accidental purchasing, especially for young users. So this is really worth watching. So what you're gonna have to do, guys, is first, of course, open TikTok, the app, and then when you open TikTok, just click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then after you're doing that, here you're gonna select the settings and privacy, and after you select settings and privacy, make sure you select balance, and then selecting balance, and then after that just click on coins, get coins, and then it's going to show you, to prompt you to use or to open your app store, like your Google Chrome, Google, if you're using Android, Google, and if you use iPhone, iOS, it's going to prompt you use your wallet, from iOS. So in this case, what you can do, instead of after you see that, just head over to settings on your iPhone, and then what you're gonna have to do is here on settings. If you go to settings, you go to your profile. So you click on your profile, and then on your profile click on payments and settings. So click on payments and settings, and then after we select our payment method that we want to remove, also from Apple Pay, or make sure you remove your wallets from there as well, and from your MasterCard as well, from both of this. And that's what you have to do. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you found this helpful, and like this video. Thanks for watching.